Hi guys, welcome back to see you here in my next video. First of all, crypto, you must be over 18 years for trading, selling, buying. Crypto is a big risk. Please invest just the money what is not for your living, not for your family, wife, kids. The money what you can lose. This is really important. And please do your own research. And I'm not a professional, I'm a beginner in crypto. Always remember what I do is just for entertain you. Okay, now I show you how to sell your coin on Binance app. Really easy. Open it, click on it, wait for it, that's open. Then you can see everything what I told you in the last video. Okay, then click on your wallet, go to your spot and let us sell the DogeCoin. Click on DogeCoin, use the euro. I want to sell it in euro. Click on euro. Then look in the app. Buying is the green and selling is this one, the red one. Then how now you can sell it. You see I have 126.1 DogeCoin. Then write it here. 126 DogeCoins, and then just click on the red button, sell it. I don't want to sell it, I just show you how the way is. Really easy. This is all. Okay, again, click back, go to your wallet, click on the coin what you want to sell. I want to sell it in euro. Click on euro. Then look in the app, is writing buying or selling. Click on selling. Selling is always red. Then write your DogeCoins here, how much you have, how much you want to sell. 126. And then just click on the red button here in the down. Doge selling. This is all. Really easy tutorial. I hope you enjoy. And yeah, again, crypto, you must be over 18 years old. Crypto is a risk. If you ask me, always hold now in this because the Bitcoin is down, hold it. And yeah, I hope we see you in the next video. Always do your own research. Bye bye, ciao. So now is the best time to work for your Jannah. Remember